Hi, this is a tutorial on how to use Gitorious. Please learn what is Git and how to use Git before starting with Gitorious. Okay, let's create a new project and we will end up in a screen like this. Add a new public SSH key. You actually need to create a new key, or you can use your already existing key for that. Okay, we will look at how to create a new SSH key. Open the terminal and change to the directory where the keys are actually stored. It is in home and subdirectory .ssh. Okay, cd home slash .ssh. Okay, there will be some files, so we need to backup. Make a new directory, name your directory whatever you want, key underscore bc, and copy the files to the directory we actually just created. Okay, cp id underscore rsa dot wildcard and space key underscore bc. Alright, remove the files, we don't actually need them anymore since we are going to create new ones. rm and the file names, remove them. Okay, now we come back to creating the new keys. To create new keys, ssh hyphen keygen space hyphen t and rsa and hyphen c. Provide your email address there and press return. Then it will ask for yes, it will ask for the place to store. It is default directory, give it a default directory, press return, and it is warning about the already existing file. Okay, nothing to bother. Press y and press return and give it is a password. Get a passphrase. It's actually a password. There will be two files created and our interest is on id underscore rsa.pub. Open the contents, cat file, copy the contents. It's actually three parts: SSHRSA and 64 bytes something content and your email address. Copy those content and paste in the text box on the screen. Okay, then click save. Oh, that's easy. Done. Then we are going to create a new project. Right. Okay, go to your dashboard. Fill in the details. I'm giving Athena, or we name it Athena. It's your choice, and label them the project like C, Python, the language you use, or the libraries you use, or whatever you want. Label it and provide the license. What license are you gonna use for your project? I'm selecting GPL version 3. And if you have any website or blog, provide the address here. And this is a making of athena.blogspot.com, making -of athena.blogspot.com, and scroll down. Provide some little description. I'm just blabbing. Please provide some meaningful description there. And okay, that's all about this screen. We are going to create project. Click on create project. Okay, it's new repository. Gitorious offers many repositories for single project. I don't know why it is not actually necessary. Anyway, create. I'm giving it master. It's like no, whatever name you want to give it there. It's awkward master. Anyway, scroll down and create a repository. Create repository. It's loading. Okay, my internet is slow, so it will take some time to create the repository. Yes, loading. Come on. So to this we have created the repository on the online. in the Gitorious server, we need to actually create another repository in our local system. Git is distributed version control system, so we should create another repository in our local computer, my computer. And here is how we create that. Go on to the terminal, and oh, it's loaded. Good timing. Change to the directory. I'm just switching to the home directory. This is Git. You must have Git installed on your system for using it, of course. Okay. Git usually prints out the usage. You just type Git and press enter. Gitorious by default provides some help. What do you call? Okay, whatever you call. We have to configure the Git first before using it. We should actually provide two global attributes. One is our username and another is our email address. First, git config hyphen global and user.name. It specifies the username, and I'm giving it Vanangamudi under double quotes. Okay, and press return. Okay, git and then git config hyphen global user.email. It need not be the same as you used to for creating your SSH key, but it's better with the same. Now it rules out many of the headaches you have. Alright, it's over. Then power cut. Okay, last night power went out. Now I'm starting again. It's the address of a repository. We need to clone this repository in our local computer so that we can use it. I have a separate partition for my projects, that is programming. Under media and programming, I have a new directory called Athena, where I usually keep my development files. Okay, change it to the directory Athena and clone the directory. Git clone and copy the address there. Git alias gitorious.org on my project name and my repository name. Okay, it's cloning now. Yes, and return. Alright, taking some time. I'm giving my system password. Actually, we should not give it. Just illustrating. Okay, see, it's the password that we gave. It's a passphrase when we gave creating the SSH key. So okay, fine, it's over. That's easy. Since we just created the repository, it's empty, and now we are gonna do something actually useful. Let's do it. I'm just aligning the screen so that the text are properly aligned. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add the we have downloaded the repository anyway, but now I'm establishing the connection from my local repository to the repository on the Gitorious server. To do that, git remote add origin and provide the repository address. Oh, now it is initialized. Right, happy. From now on, we can easily edit our source code, add files, and push them to the Gitorious server so that other people can view it, download it, edit it, whatever they would want to do. Right? Yes, this is fun, right? Git is a fastest version control system. It is written by Great Linus Torvalds. Okay, so we are going to add a file to the repository and we are gonna push it to the Gitorious server. Here we go. Git push origin master. It when we create new files and add it to the local repo, we should push the repo into the Gitorious server. So we are making the master branch as the main master branch as the head. Okay, alright, it is showing some error because we didn't actually added a file or actually committed something, right? We should do that first. Okay, see, there is only one file. Do you see the mistake? All this time I have been working on the parent directory. The Git repo initialized on the parent directory. I downloaded the repository but I didn't change to the respective repository. Oh god, it's a big mistake. Programming Athena. See, the parent directory Git repo. Let's have a look at the configuration files. See, we have tied the remote server to this repo. You can see the Git repository address there, and these references pointing to the master branch. Master is you can work at several branches at a time, but references points, I mean the heads points to the current branch you are working on. Alright, we will continue to work in this Git repo since this is just an illustration, no problem. Okay, fine. Now we are going to edit the readme text. Come on, this file is edited. Ting 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 tang. Okay, this file is edited and we are going to save this file and close it. Okay, save and close and go to the terminal. Oh, sorry, I did that by mistake. It is stupid to try again, right? We have to first add the file into the repo. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, git add dot. This will add the entire file enter the complete file number of files under the current directory to the Git repo stage. It will stage the files. They don't add to the repo. We have to commit the file so that they are submitted to the repository in the local system. Okay, git commit and this is a commit message. When you do some changes to the source code, you should tell the others what you did and where you did. No need of where you did, but what you did and why you did, you can tell in the commit message. Type here, please do something useful, type something useful. I'm just blabbering here. Okay, that's not a good way of typing or telling a message, right? Yes, this is stupid, right? Okay, no problem. Then save the file. Okay, press enter and close by, come on, control X. Okay, then we are gonna push to the Gitorious server. Okay, this should succeed. Yes, since we have added the files and committed the files, there are changes. Oh yes, see, they are committed. Are you ready to check it out? Come on, go to the browser and click on the source tree. Loading. See, the two files we have added in my local computer are now committed and pushed to to the Gitorious server in the GitHub. So other people who are working on the same project can do whatever they want with these files. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching, bye.